I'm Robert Rose, CEO of Reliable Robotics. Well, so late 2016, early 2017, I was looking around at what was happening in self-driving cars. I used to run the Tesla Autopilot program at Tesla. And this epiphany occurred to me that we're going to have self-driving cars before self-flying planes. This doesn't make any sense. The airspace is a much more well understood and constrained environment. I also ran flight software at SpaceX. And at SpaceX, we developed a 2 fault-tolerant spacecraft that went to the International Space Station. And it's certainly possible to engineer these types of systems. No one has just yet applied it to aviation. So did some research into why nobody else was looking at this problem. And I couldn't find answers that were satisfactory. And it almost seemed like we were stumbling upon this area that no one else was thinking about yet. So our goal is to apply it to aviation and bring about a world where it's just normal that you get onto an aircraft and it flies itself, just as normal as you get onto an automated subway or a train system today.